It's Melody.
Ano akala mo sa akin? Tanga? Walang forever.
Ito ang tanong mo. Naniniwala ka ba sa forever?
Hindi po kasi kakabreak nga po namin nung 23. Wala pong forever.
Ito lang. Matalinong anak ko. Alam niya kung anong totoo. Alam niya kung anong palabas lamang. Darla, bibilang kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Casey.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large, okay.
Sa tanong ko ano-ano, sabi niya, Mama, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko,
Okay.
yes. Hilo-hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Doc. Nakakaloka.
There was never an us. There will never be an us. Kaya please, huwag mo na akong landiin.
Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Tayo na lang kaya.
Eh, gago ka pala. Ikaw lang naman hinihintay ko eh.
Ayaw mo na basketball player talaga? Kahit NBA?
I don't like boys na.
Ayaw mo na boys? Eh, para kanino pa yung pagpapakita mo ng goiter kung hindi ayaw mo na kaligan?
All I think about all day is food.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Oh, no!
Get away from her, you bitch! Would you go to bed with me?